Hello beautiful people, and welcome back to my channel. Today we will unbox the Look Fantastic beauty box for the January month. This month the box looks very pretty. I love this color. Let's see what products we have inside. First we found the leaflet, and the spoiler product for the next month is the mini Beyond Veil primer from La Masqua. Okay, now let's dive in the box. And the first product that we found is from So Eco Complexion Sponge. It's an eco-friendly makeup sponge. It's cruelty-free and vegan as well. I'm very happy, very useful product to be honest. Next we found a product that smells fresh and very nice. It's from Dr. Botanicals AV Cleansing Bar with avocado and cucumber. It's a gentle antibacterial cleansing soap for face and body. Well, I never use a soap on my face, but for my hands and body it will be just perfect. Here is a face cream from SVR, Intense Moisturizing Cream. This is a perfect product for very dry and sensitive skin. I didn't try any product from SVR. If you tried any product from this brand, let me know your opinion about them in the comment section down below. Okay, next product that we found is from Star Skin, Hollywood Hand Model. It is a very nourishing hand mask gloves, and this is a useful product. I'm very curious to try it. Here is a product from Grow Gorgeous. It is a hair care product, Balance Shine Enhancing Overnight Mask. I'm delighted with this product. I like to pamper my hair. And the last product that we have is from Sleek, Matte Me Ultra Smooth Matte Lip Cream in this beautiful pink shade called French Fancy 037. Okay guys, and this was all the products that was inside in the January 2021 Look Fantastic beauty box. I am delighted with this month box, very useful, and I like all the products found inside. Maybe the Sleek lipstick shade is not exactly my shade, but I will give it a go. And this was today's video. I hope you like it. Thank you for watching. Bye!